We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to change a belt on a Brother HL3075CW. So what you're going to want to do, you want to lift this hatch and you're going to pull out each toner cartridge. Make sure not to touch these when you're pulling them out, because if you get fingerprints on there, it could put oil on there, it could stay on there, and when you're printing, the quality won't be as good and it can cause defects. So right here is going to be a green lever. After you take all these out, gently pull this. Make sure when you pull this that you do not touch the belt part, and then also you want to pull gently. You don't want to like knock it around or anything. So you're going to pull it out. This is what I'm saying you don't want to touch. So then you'll unpackage your new one, take it, put it in. Make sure you put it in gently. And it is a little tricky. There we go. And it's going to click. Then you can put your toners back in. Right here there's going to be your color guide. So just put your colors back where they go. Magenta. Hello. And right here it'll tell you what color your cartridge is, so that way you don't get them mixed up. Alright, so you put those in, shut your hatch. Then what you'll need to do is you will need to reset the belt. So once my printer calibrates, I will show you how we can do that. You'll make sure, you need to make sure that every time you do this, you reset the belt. That way the printer knows that there's a new belt. Alright, and now it's ready, so you're going to press the down arrow until you see machine info. You're going to hit OK, and then you're going to go all the way down until it says reset parts life. You're going to hit OK on that as well. And then what you want to do is you're going to go all the way down to where it says belt. You're going to hit OK, and then it's going to reset your belt. If you're in need of any supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.